Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy pink. First, select a premium pink floss sugar, as its quality directly impacts the final color and flavor. Next, prepare your cotton candy machine by ensuring it is spotless and preheated to the optimal temperature, usually around 200 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This preparation is key for a smooth process and vibrant results. The secret to vibrant pink cotton candy lies in the floss sugar. Pre-made pink floss sugar offers the most consistent and brilliant color, often using food-grade dyes like red number 3 or red number 40. If you're making your own, use a fine granulated sugar and add a few drops of pink food coloring, mixing thoroughly until the color is uniform. Remember, a little coloring goes a long way to achieve that iconic hue. Once your machine is ready, carefully pour 1 to 2 scoops of your chosen pink floss sugar into the center spinner head. As the machine heats, the sugar will melt and be forced through tiny holes by centrifugal force, creating those delicate pink threads. Gently collect these threads onto a paper cone or stick, rotating it in a circular motion around the bowl to build up your fluffy, perfectly pink cotton candy. To ensure your cotton candy achieves that ideal pink hue, always use the recommended amount of floss sugar, typically 1 to 2 scoops. Overfilling can lead to uneven melting and a less vibrant color. Maintaining a consistent machine temperature, around 225 degrees Fahrenheit, is also crucial for smooth, evenly colored threads. With these tips, you'll consistently create beautiful, perfectly pink cotton candy every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.